Ebusian for my mom Akwaba Eba Ghana TV GH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification on so that anytime you post a video, be to say we are some kabi. Ebusian for me, and some typically no, I dare award ceremonies me tampe. I'm not a fan of award ceremonies at all. Bibia or name me bianem say a ban award ceremony. Media, I have my reservations. And the reason why I have my reservations is say, me feel say most of the award schemes are Ghana, most of them, it does not really kind of say reward the best person and answer Nepal where the most dedicated. And most of the award scheme, especially the award scheme near there be ankrofo vote. Sadia ni nyina no. Eya esika sem wa woni nkrofo a most ka bebre omu na most be eska share mama ona nkrofo a vote ama. And I have not been a fan of award schemes. Now, the more me holding on to that view, no. Nanka mi feel sanka award schemes no. They will do something best some dream me was say award scheme. It does not really reward always the best person as a Nepal or deserve this very award. And conform brings to organize the awards now. They only organize it to get money for themselves because they also conform voting money. Now at the end of the day, say me win you only give me a A4 sheet be and I say a plaque B or something like that. I say it does not add anything to me. Me one conform this kind of mudi vote. So I have stayed away from awards, even from my school days. I was investing in I was money or be pass or per se or nominating me make us mimpe. Now you see today me I'm more than sure said there be sa award in sense midi. Are there Sammy Jemfi, Sammy Miami, Sammy Dollars, Sammy Goldbody, Sammy Goldbody. How can award organizers look me, Kofi, into the face and tell me, say, over last year, 2025, I feel 2025, you see, best CEO, Ghana ha, ayora Sammy Jemfi. Hey, say, no, David, minti asembia siye. Sammy Jemfi na ye best CEO, mind Ghana we mu. Ufa 2025, I feel 2025 nina. Oh. And it means that, Charlie, Koko Bebre or more occupy CEO positions or ban we mu die, and almost die. Because, nim say, a ban of CEOs, I say, Prof. Jampo. So count, digital macro, NPA, or count, and all across different state institution, bust nina, and all those, all the nina boma, NLA, alaji loto mu nina count. Now, nkofo we nyina ntem no Sammy Jemfi na ye the best CEO. Criteria ben award givers criteria ben na mu hu ye na mu de masa Sammy Jemfi award. Criteria no, come and tell us. Tell me, convince me why you would give Sammy Jemfi best CEO. Convince me. After what IMF ever revealed say Sammy Jemfi akwa sika koko abokano. Nini nechi no Sammy Jemfi na best CEO. Let's be serious in this country. My serious kakra. Anameboa. We have been told, reliably told, informed. Now, when you look at a gold board, that time I did a post on my website. Ushema sika ya lose yen enya easy. Say Bank of Ghana to me this car Emma Sammy Jemfi outfit Jennifer Koto gold na gold no kra no omenu nya. Na wabeka kire me say nipa o involve ni hu was anya ma nyina mo no. You see best CEO of the whole year no. I was ceremonies with me trust you. I've never trusted to, but say dear. I have not I've lost trust. No, because under Akufo-Addo, I've seen some award ceremonies. And most of the time, announce say nipa we na best CEO na. What me hu ejuma nipa na ye no. What you say there be we there nipa no deserve. Not the same award scheme now, just because NDC about buying, so must say award scheme no so. Oh, Debbie. Ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia. Se wope photographers omunim juma. Ebano editing, twa pictures, cameras, akese, lenses, akese, drones, ni bibia ope bia no. A touch of the way photography for. Naba was screen so esa wo contact say yeah, a wedding, funeral, birthday party. And I say asase bi mpo na wo na ope say wo hia drone video, ni drone pictures of asasina. But modern say wa contact the touch of the way photography. Bebia upe se omo ye dwuma no ma o e Ghana ha bebia no omo ye claro na omo ya ma and omo ye very 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 affordable so upe so ye birthday photo shoot mo manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter very important but modern say only touch of the way photography for wedding komo and they catch them say Ghana Sem TV GH4 and I recommend it once when I say Ghana Sem TV GH4 and I recommend you omo pay when you have the special discount. Ebusianfo, ubetimi aboye your production na ye. As time is passing, your studio kind of saying vision scanning ni ho. And then also equipment in your nyama bebre. You might be say be more and all those things. One betimi aboye. A political platform and a pro MPP political platform. And I scan kwana ye pay and I wait make I say neutrals. And news no ba na ye na NDC MPP news cow be a kaya drink a but you see a pesa ye say MPP wa ban mo and no now manage me kweni. So we dedicate ourselves to MPP. And no po obi ama ye one Ghana crop MPP no. And there ye Debbie. And sometimes we compare advertisers. I'm say Debbie. If say be adverts wo mo why be ka say MPP for and this for be say Juma ma and to me. And you hear your support to keep this work going. That is why the number is right here on the screen. And Phyllis said, we have not worked into your pocket. So what you have is what you can give us. And people do so beautifully. Is that the right tree there? He said, yeah. But please help us. Help Ghana Sem move forward.
Now I can say, oh, we see president. No be watching, no be any ho. Me see any mbuasi anya me de be gu am no wan so mo nim ha. So fu kwablante wi o se wan ho chichire nwan ne Ghana flag ne MPP flag o hye wo ma na mo no. Na do be wu ukua de wi aketekete de na to no. Ono mo wu ye me na yie kura ye hu se de e fa so ye na yie. Nti da bia me kasa na do na ho no o ye spirit bi. Anya me yie no ma Ghana for but ye hu no hwe. Ye hu no kuta. If you say Yesu Christo okọ no ane de mu kura ne de mu ya nje no. Nti ebi na ekoso wo Ghana no. Hwe Sam George nipa fonte se. Ye to aba wo we. Voice wogon we le gon ye to aba. Hwe de oye and throughout John we Sam George di you came to somebody's house, you killed somebody in his own house. Anya no kore. When you go Sam George oje. There no one can fire your mammy or slow so. And when you name Guasian and Omogeno, well, who to support Rubia, who be wuno. Shall the oil no. Me say dear cost on a dear, may a man ye one, young costing ye, you my ding, young fan pie bo, both physical and spiritual, and fanta, ye were a Dr. Mahmoud Baumieji, Nanyame, a still based in 2028, and a babble in the padre and chassis. If he says it's 2024, no MPP winning, cause I'm ready, a costing, Kajato Ghana, but Yame not the oyasi. It's a cacrami work and no yan yere. They are more why mammy been more grass and the almost rano and call my dream. Nti yɛnkɔ so. Yɛa yɛwɔ link ɛwɔ villages ne adeɛ no yɛnka mɛntɔ ɔmo adwenum before 2028. Ne yɛnim sɛ nkonimdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ no yɛwura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia dea. Na nkonim obedi no ɛbɛhyɛko Ghanafoɔ. Asɔfoɔ akɔhwifoɔ ne nyinaa ɛbɛgye wɔn nsam. Hwɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so wɔ Ghana. Me say dum so no afi na mu bɛyere ankasa ɛwɔ Ghana. Nti deɛ ɛkɔ so no deɛ me deɛ ɛyɛ me de papa.
All
Ɛyɛ
right.
me de papa. Sisi a yɛhwɛ dollar deɛ ɛkɔ, hwɛ pounds deɛ ɛkɔ. Me say bosu we nkɔ na wie yɛ no wahu. Ɛbɛgye nipa nsam.
All right.
Ɛbɛgye nsam. Deɛ ɛkɔ so deɛ me deɛ ɛyɛ me de o. Ɛyɛ me de papa.
Okay.
Nti rusu yɛ na afi na ɛsɛ MPP ne bi ate aseɛ sɛ nyame ɔnyɛ mistake na rusu yɛ ne nyame nim deɛ ɔyɛ. Sɛ doctor wini ya nkanim gu ase kasa de ɔmbɛsɛ ne di afa no wahu. Ka doctor du baabi a ɔnyi ne pɛnim na onyam da. Nti yɛma ɛnda yɛtirim sɛ rusu a MPP rusu yɛ no na yɛ de nyame ahyehyɛ ato. Na wɔbɛbie Ghanafoɔ adwuma yɛn ho sɛ MPP na yɛ party a ɔmo ba so ɔmo tumi boa Ghanafoɔ. Hwɛ amafoɔ mma ɔmo kɔ school wie free. Ɛnɛ mo ahu deɛ ɛkɔ so. Ɛnɛ PTA kura hwɛ sika a yɛgye. Wo ba kɔ wo ba nkɔ wo maame no wobɛtua wo papa no wobɛtua. Na wɔn nyina nyame atua ɔmo ka na ɔbɛsɛn atua ɔmo bio.
That's it.
Nti kaka me wɔka no no. Yɛmbɔ
That's it.
mpaeɛ. Yɛmfa ahoɔden. Yɛmfa nta Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia akyi ne anistuo nyinaa. Obi akɔ no kɔtɔ anim a ɔnkae no mpaebom. Na saa papa no nyame na ayi na ama Ghana. So ɔmbagye Ghana nsi hɔ. Ɛyɛ ayɛ sɛ Kwame Nkrumah yɛ adeɛ, Kwame Nkrumah yɛ adeɛ. Ɛdeɛ na Kwame Nkrumah bɛyɛ. Deɛ bɛn na ɔbɛyɛ. Saa time na population na yɛyɛ sɛn. Saa time no nneɛma ɔbɛyɛ aborɔfo no na bɛyɛ. Ɔsesa yɛ gold na adeɛ de ma wɔn na ɔbɛyɛ. Nyɛ ɔno ankasa na de no bɔtɔm ɛna asɛ Ghana sika na ɔde yɛyɛ. Ɛno koraa na ɛwɔ yi. Yɛanomfo yi ɔmo ana bɛtɔn ne nyinaa. Ɛnɛ mo sɔre a mo Nana Addo, the best president we ever have in Ghana.
That's Eliza.
Ɛno deɛ
That's it.
ɔmo mpew.
Nana Addo na na ɛkɔ.
Ɛwɔ hɔ. Ɔno ara na ɛkɔ.
Okay.
Doctor na ɛkɔ 2028. Nti kakra me wɔka no no. Meda mo ase.
Oh yeah. Go tender. Tally fast. Nene.
Okay, Raffles. Yeah, me chia we chia me nwa no more platform so nyina.
Yeah, Joso.
Yeah, John chapter 1 verse 3 clause 3. Muhammad ye entron kwa entro from A to Z.
Musoma true dia ka.
Assembly John Muhammad e kan ye bie ni wa e papa. Ni nyina ye ntro. Jedi kan. Ye papa John Muhammad etimi escame ye maame makuafo. Ye papa no makuafo. Say sika Nana Dango Kufuado any MPP abande mo 3001 no. Na ono de se moto aba Ghana kuafo moto aba de mano na obaye o mampanyina obetua moka 70 million. Eto kuafo tirimu oskame kuafo adwene odada kuafo ene 3001 krabu no se mo kuafo mu Ghana kuafo a mo bo Ghana fo ho ban no munim nyansa ma agenda fom into 31 million krabu no wase hwanso e dey akọ 25 million owie ye no wase mo kuafo maskam ma mo mabu na mo kọ school no nursing training cage from so mara mo so because mo tra classroom asua dem ema Nana Dango Kufuado ema mala wase monya la wowe na mo mfa nsua de na mo nya nimdie na mo so mo machi mu nwena mo nketo ade mo mra me adwuma wo hospitals no President Mahama say mo meskano mo enti mo alawana Nana Dango Kufuado de mamu mo me ba me de be mamu double me say apostum automatically yam nwena mo agitumu so ye automatic posting ye pese lancet exams nyan twiro bi ye wi school na ya postu yen cause ye te max ye te Jupiter aye wi ye na automatic no nya adwuma yere aye ya assess enhu adwins ampase school na wakọ wi no ese ukuta lances ye nwana mo nurses for teachers for edi Mahama echi ema Mahama scam wo mo nti ye wura Mahama oye scammer MEC for oye scammer o me total scammers cause o ma scam Ghana for Ye maame ma mu ton no ma e wo dwom. Bujwa Kaneshi Market, Makola, Takwade Central Market, Kumasi Central Market, Edum ho. Yem yiwa mahama eskamo mu so oh ye maame fo mu didwan. Me the Women's Bank ba. Me the Women's Bank ba be so masene. E ma modwuma mo ye no. Akoso ye dia mamu. Enti no ni NDC fo be ye MPP fo be ye mamu bia no. Mon kan kire Ghana fo say me the Women's Bank ne ba mu yi sika bum 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 ama modwuma na akoso. Enti ye nya dwadifo e mo mutimi ka kire Ghana fo say MPP abanya hwe mfa ma wo mo because of Women's Bank mahama e promise wo mo ne ye wo ye vice president onzu di akire edi akese Women's Bank ye mo nto ba mfa ma NDC ye ba ye be ma Women's Bank fo maame fo no mu dwadi na akoso president mahama ne NDC fo escam ye maame fo say that Women's Bank e be ye dia mo nto ba mfa ma NDC John chapter 1 verse 3 clause 3 escam ye maame fo no say Women's Bank e wo hefa owiyen wo say ye nsuwa ye forest ene ye nsase a e wo ho agalamse during president Musa Breso omode chanvan e be say Ghana nsuo no omutimi atumfutu de gu Ghana fo ni say eye president Mahama ni president Nana Dankwa Kufuor ani MPP fo na edi galamse e say Ghana nsuo e say Ghana forest escam Ghana fo tumfutu de Ghana fo ni enti mo nto ba mfama John Mahama chapter 3 verse 3 clause 3 say me ba me di AI e be gu galamse me di AI e be cancel galamse ene galamse na wo hefa afi kurana ne campaigns no NDC fo omudi galamse ese Ghana nsuo ese Ghana forest owiye no wo say LGBTQ na wona Mahama nim say be na ngodu president Nana Dankwa Kufuor anim ama na nsan na se kodru president Nana Dankwa Kufuor man go be san ama sa be no aba ye mra no wonim pa ensu twantro was kame Ghana fo e ka kire Ghana fo se Nana do ansan na me de me ba me san ama Ghana afa ntuma pa fra because Ghana ye custom and tradition e for bete say bema be wale bema oba be wale oba be wale aboa bema be wale aboa ntimo nto ba mfa mame enne president Mahama say Ghana fo ma dwusa enye priority to Ghanaians ye de wie ansa na ye de fata nti LGBTQ no men sign nti Mahama e ka kire Ghana fo so won gay o ye gay mu hene was coming Ghana fo nti mi nwana mo Ghana fo president Mahama nsema o kaka no post abem no you who say the best vice president yenya no my Ghana center Okufuor Muhammadu Mahmoud Bawumia in 2028 no hwe wasetenam neto abapa positive change for 2028 Dr. Muhammadu Mahmoud Bawumia and obetimi ababa Ghana ye said ye were forecast a positive change 2000 and in 2004 na yetimi be my Ghana ye 2028 a positive change hwe wasetenam o lighter edum no hwe wasetenam na eto abapa 2028 Dr. Muhammadu Mahmoud Bawumia nyansa boakwa incoming president onu eni betima ababa Ghana ye nwa Felix medase
Now me den chair mami new about Frida Rhymes. I just saw you pop up on my page. I hope say oh yeah. I hope it's the right with Frida Rhymes though. Big up yourself. Kumasi DM been patch for 5 minutes. Me ankona mint sorry so.
Brother, good evening. Me chair will be
Maybe I just